So I'm sure at this point you've heard about the ketogenic diet. Yeah, everybody's doing it, right? And everybody's having this huge level of success with weight loss and more energy, and the benefits just go on and on, right? Well, wrong. I even had a client yesterday in the office who was sharing that she went on the ketogenic diet, and not only did she gain weight on the ketogenic diet, but after her meals, she would literally just kind of crash and burn, and there's no way she could actually even make it from meal to meal. And she was really wondering, it was like an internal thing. It was almost like, what am I doing wrong? And she wasn't doing anything wrong, short of following a diet that's really got some challenges to it. And that's what I really want to really focus on and address for you, because if you choose to go on something that is similar to the ketogenic diet, I want you to have success. And here's one of the big problems, is that number one, from a nutritional perspective, I tell people all the time, if you reach out to somebody about nutrition and they have the one-size-fits-all meal plan that works for everybody, just to level with you, the best thing to do at that point is to run, because you are biochemically different. You have a different genetic makeup than somebody else. You potentially live in a different environment and climate. You potentially have different health issues, different stress levels. I mean, there's so many impacts as to what needs to go in your body nutritionally, and to think that everybody should do the same thing is just utterly ridiculous. So that's one problem with keto. Another problem is there's so many sticking points and troubleshooting points and stumbling blocks that if you're following a ketogenic diet, you don't know what these stumbling blocks are. It again leaves you feeling like you did something wrong, like you failed. And trust me, the ketogenic diet works when it's individualized for you, and when you actually take a deeper look within yourself as to, are you dealing with any of the troubleshooting points? Now, thankfully for you, on Thursday, October 11th, we're actually having an event at my office that's going to be a live event, but it's also going to be an event that we're going to be live streaming. This is going to be on Thursday, October 11th at 6:30 p.m. Pacific time. And in this event, there's going to be 4 speakers. This is not just about what I have to say about keto. I'm going to be talking about some of the basics of keto, and I'm going to talk about the troubleshooting points that often leave you left in the dust and not really enjoying what it is that you want to enjoy from the ketogenic diet. Linda Buitrago from my office is going to give you a deeper understanding what ketosis really is, to really have a deeper level of knowledge on how this has to be done correctly for you as an individual. We're also going to have Jay Williams, who's going to talk about one significant troubleshooting point for so many people, which is really what's going on from the mindset perspective. That's often an area that creates failure for people on the ketogenic diet. And also Dawn Depke is going to be talking about one key point that we could recognize from the ketogenic diet is most people go on the keto diet, they want to lose weight. That's one of the main goals. Now, there's many other benefits that we're going to address and talk to you about during this event, but Dawn's going to specifically talk about not only weight loss, but a little bit deeper on how to utilize the ketogenic diet and other tools to actually lose the dreaded cellulite. And this is not just a female problem, even though literally 93% of females are actually dealing with some level of cellulite. But you know what? This is a male issue as well. So I look forward to seeing you either live at our event or watching our live stream on Thursday, October 11th, where you're going to understand the keto individuality tied into ketosis. You're going to understand all the troubleshooting points, the necessity of the mindset, and the deeper understanding of how you can actually rid your body of not only fat, but also cellulite. So I look forward to seeing you on Thursday, October 11th at 6:30 p.m. Pacific time, whether you're in the office or watching us live stream. We'll see you then.